Hey guys, I got some takeout the other day and this Tibetan beef came with it. Absolutely stunning. And I thought, I have to replace this. Went ahead, gave it a try, and it came out incredible. Done in 30 minutes. Tender beef, you can have it with noodles, rice, whatever you like. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got is about 3/4 of a pound of sirloin tip that I've cut thinly against the grain, something like this. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce just to give it that bit of richness, a teaspoon of cornstarch just to make it nice and shiny, and last but not least, a teaspoon of my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. Ultimately, you can use white pepper. I just don't have any on hand, but it's kind of the best. Now I'm just going to give this a mix until everything is nicely combined and the meat is well coated. After that, I'm going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil into it. And what this is going to do is going to make the meat separate a little better when we're frying it up. Just look at this, guys. Beautiful and shiny. So we'll let this sit for about 10 minutes while we're preparing the veggies. Next up, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil to a pan. And I'm using sauteing oil here, but you can use olive oil, canola, whatever you like. So just before this is super hot, I'm going to add in the beef. And I'm going to break this up. So we'll stir and fry this for a few minutes until it's about 80% cooked. While the beef is cooking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video. And also go over to our website, subscribe over there, become a member, all kinds of cool stuff. And if you like what you see, hit that like button. Really helps us out, guys. Thanks. After we're about 80% cooked here, I'm just going to put this in a bowl together with the juices. Okay, my fine friends, in the same pan, I'm going to add in a little bit more oil, followed by half an onion sliced up, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and 2 slices of ginger that I've chopped too. So we're just going to saute this for a few minutes until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air and the onions become slightly translucent. Now it's time to add a combination of red and green bell peppers that I've cut into triangles. They look kind of cute. A pinch of hot chili flakes just for that heat. And I'm going to toss and stir fry just for a minute or two until the bell peppers become a little bit soft. Next up, let's put the beef back in along with those wonderful juices. A handful of bean sprouts, just for a measure of good luck. 2 chopped green onions, or 2 stalks I should say. Season this up with some salt and some ground black pepper. And we'll toss and stir fry this for a minute or two. And you'll be good to go. If you want a bit more sauce, you can add a bit more water, guys, but I think we have lots here. And you don't want these bean sprouts too soggy. And there you have it, guys, our simple, easy, and ever so delicious Tibetan beef. You're gonna love this. All right, let's dig in here. Oh my goodness, guys, just look at this. Absolutely incredible. All right, here we go. Without a word of a lie, guys, this is so good. It's mild, it's subtle, but it's absolutely delicious. Love the flavors. The ginger pops out. The meat is so tender. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely delicious. You got to try this. I'm going to have more. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Many more recipes coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.